Digital products are revolutionizing the way we consume and create. They come in various forms, from ebooks to online courses. Creating and selling them offers flexibility and passive income. Platforms like Etsy and Amazon are great for hosting. Focus on quality to stand out in a crowded market. Utilize social media and email marketing for promotion. Be prepared for challenges like competition and pricing. Many entrepreneurs have found success in this space. The future is bright with innovations like AI and VR. Start your journey in digital products today.